Good evening, everybody. I had not planned on making a video today. However, I just got a delivery from Amazon. It is a gift from one of you. I think I know what it is, but I just can't believe someone got this for me. If this is what I think it is, then it's something that I've wanted for years, and it's something that is going to make a huge difference to all my projects going forward, if it is what I think it is. So let's find out. Let's read the note first. Sorry, I don't mean to keep you in suspenders, but this is important. A gift note from William J. Bueller from Solar Garage. Enjoying the videos, love the content, keep it up, and happy holidays from William J. Bueller. It's a heavy one. It's a box in a box. Hold on. It is indeed what I was hoping and dreaming it would be. This, my friends, is a combination TIG MIG stick welder. And I am excited beyond belief. Wow, what a kit. It's also a very nice size. This is amazing, and again, William, far too generous. I don't deserve this. You have no idea how much I appreciate this. I can't wait to get started with my whole TIG adventures. I've got a lot to learn, but I've always wanted to be able to weld with TIG, especially aluminum and pipe work and that kind of thing. It's just, I'm blown away again. Thank you so much. Right, I had to compose myself, that was far too emotional. Okay, a quick update. It's not actually a MIG, it is TIG and a stick, which is fine because I've got a perfectly excellent Lincoln MIG. And it means I can have a completely different setup for doing heavy metal and for doing everything else. Oh, I can't wait. Oh, got so much to learn. I think I'll be watching, what's that channel called? The Fabrication series. I think he's really good teaching you how to use MIG. TIG. So I've got a few other bits and bobs I need to get. Obviously I need to get a big bottle of 100% argon, I know that much. And then I've got to get the tungsten things and the rod things. Small potatoes, that was the main thing. Oh, so excited. Oh, I probably need to get a pair of proper welding gloves. Glenn Miller has been sending me these on a regular basis, but I keep using them for general, garage work. So I'll probably need to invest in a nice pair of TIG welding gloves. They're kind of different from MIG. They're a a lot finer because you've got to be able to push that rod, and you can't really do it with the big clumsy gloves. But as I say, that's small potatoes compared to getting this unit itself. So excited. Right, that was all for today. I just it arrived on the doorstep and I just had to tell everyone about it. And thank you, William, again. And I'm going to do a live stream tomorrow night, Saturday evening, about 5 o'clock my time, which is 10 o'clock UK time, 6 o'clock Europe, 8 o'clock in the morning Australia. Figure it out. I'm EST. Okay, thank you very much again. That's all I can do at the moment, except for obviously make good use of it, become a great TIG welder, and you'll see the whole process of me learning how to use it and the masterpieces that I will create. See you tomorrow night. Bye everyone.